Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Motorola Edge 70. So first, when you're in a call, then make sure to check the volume using the side buttons on the right side. As you guys can see, we can boost them like that, we can lower it like that, but what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have boosted it up to maximum to see if we get any sound. Now, we can go over to the settings, and then in the settings, we want to go over to the sound and vibration. Here we can also change the call volume, so we can just boost it up. It's available for Motorola's to change it here. For most of the phones, it's just not available to change the call volume in the settings, but for this one it is, so you guys can try and boost it up all the way to the right. After changing it, what you guys can do is go over to the connected devices. Here, go to connection preferences and go over to Bluetooth. Make sure that you turn off your Bluetooth here to rule out any connected devices. So for example, your headphones, any speaker, or even your car. So disabling Bluetooth helps actually getting rid of any device that can be connected to your phone while you're trying to test things out. So make sure to disable it. After that, what you guys can do is try and test another call or test a call from a different app. So if you're using the default phone app right here and try calling up somebody and you get no sound, you guys can try any other app like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, even Meet, just any app that has a call support system. So after that, what you guys can do is restart your smartphone, and the way you do that is hold power button and the volume up button. Now you need to click on restart, and now your phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once the phone is fully restarted. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates. So go over to the settings. In these settings, you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see system updates. Here in system updates, click check for updates, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, I'm using the latest software, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep your phone up to date. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.